In this video, I show you how to access the recovery menu and perform a hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Step 1. You need to connect the phone to a powered-on PC. If you don't connect it, it won't enter the recovery menu. Step 2. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the phone restarts. Step 3. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button. The phone is now in the recovery menu. In the recovery menu, navigate using the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press Power button. Now go to Factory Data Reset and press Power button. After the data deletion is complete, tap Reboot System now. Keep in mind that after restarting the phone, you will need to activate it. If a Google account was previously on the phone, you will have to enter the account details and password to activate it, as the hard reset operation does not remove the Google account. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It would really help me continue my work.